Welcome to Savant Software's video series. My name is Jim, and in this video, we will be showcasing the integration between Savant's ADC and WMS products and Microsoft's Dynamics AX ERP. Let's hit it. Savant has developed a real-time interface between our WMS solutions and Microsoft's Dynamics AX ERP. In this video, we will focus on two key points of that interface. First, purchase orders will be created in AX. The purchase order information will be sent to Savant, where products from the PO will be received into the warehouse. Savant will then send the receipt information back to AX. In our second demonstration, sales orders will be created in AX and sent to the Savant system. Savant users will pick and ship the orders. When shipping is complete, ship data is sent back to AX.
I'd like to walk through the process of entering a purchase order in AX, watching it flow into Savant, where we can then use our handheld device to receive against that purchase order, and then watch that data go back into AX to be posted. So let's get started. First, let's go ahead and look at our purchase order inquiry screen, where we can see all of the POs that have already been sent over to Savant. And here we've got up through number 45. And now we'll go back into AX, and 45 was the last one. That's great. It's already showing received, so we will enter a new one. So here we'll go into our purchase order and select a vendor. And now we will choose an item number. And let's go ahead and order from Warehouse 31. Quantity of 22 items. And when we go into our line details, we will make sure we've got the appropriate warehouse and location selected, since AX is requiring that in the demo environment. And now we've got our purchase order number 47. We can then go in and do a confirmation, and that's the point in time when the system will synchronize over to Savant as being a real purchase order at that point. So we'll let AX do its confirmation. Alright, so now let's close this, refresh, and we see we've got number 47 as a confirmed order. Now we'll go ahead in Savant, take another look, and there we go. We've got number 47. When we call that up on the Savant side, we see our 22 units, and we're ready to go. So here we go into our handheld device, which I'm showing with a browser window. The browser is present on most handheld devices these days. It can be either an Internet Explorer or on Chrome. And what we need to do is log in, and then we'll choose our receiving option. So from here, we're going to enter in the purchase order we want to receive. There are some preset configuration options here that can be modified as needed for the particular installation, but we're going to receive into a location called dock, and we're going to choose a label printer because we want to print out a label every time we do a receipt for the goods that were just brought in. Alright, so now we're ready to do our item number. And it's telling us that there should be 22 on the handheld device. Great. Let's receive all 22 of those. And the system will now put that into inventory and tell us it's fully received, print our label, etc. We can take a look over here in Savant and see that we have some inventory now. Sitting here with 22 received with today's date. Looks great. And now let's take a look at the AX side. So here we'll refresh, and we can see it's now showing as received. And I can go into the receipt on this side, and we can see we've got a receipt number 7 with, well, that's purchase order 45. Excuse me. Let's choose 47. Go into our receipt, and we can now see we've got a receipt number 8 with today's date. We go and look at the lines. We see we have 22 that were received, and everything's looking good. All we need to do now is post it and move along on the AX side. I would like to show the process of putting in a sales order in AX and then doing the picking and shipping on the Savant ADC system. To do that, I'm going to start in my Savant admin console, and we're going to take a look at all the open orders that are waiting. See here, I've got a list of all of the currently open orders that are not yet shipped. So let's go ahead into AX now, and we'll go ahead and enter a new sales order. So from here, we'll go to our new sales order, choose a customer, and OK that. And then we'll go ahead and choose an item. And we'll sell a certain quantity of it. Let's just say, for example, we'll do a quantity of 6. And we'll sell that out of our warehouse number 31. And we'll have our pricing, everything set. So now we have the sales order number 757 that is ready to be confirmed. And we'll go ahead here on our Sell tab, and we'll generate a sales order confirmation. This is the point that the system will then be able to see it on the Savant side. And now it is confirmed. Okay, so now we go over to the, let's close this, we'll go over to the Savant side here in our open order screen. We'll refresh that, and we're now able to see number 757 with today's date on it. So that's all good. We'll go ahead into our sales order inquiry and pull that order up. Now, generally speaking, orders will come into the system, and we'll print a pick ticket, or you can go paperless. There's lots of different options there. So in this case, I'm going to bypass the printing step and just change the status on Savant so it's ready for us to pick it. Alright, and we can see here that it's now in a print status. So now let's go ahead into our scanner application, which is running under the browser. This will be on the handheld device, and this is the menu that the users will see. And we'll be able to go into our picking option, and we can either scan the barcode on the pick ticket or picking label, or perhaps we're just going to press a function key to get the next order in line. There are things that can happen here to automate the process, or we can just key in that order number that we want to pick. Now the system will go through all of the inventory, find the appropriate stock based on some rules. Here it's going to a pick location M010101, and we will scan that. Then it will ask us to scan the product barcode. This could be a UPC, this could be the item number itself, whatever we have available. And now it wants us to confirm the picked quantity. So we'll go ahead and pick our 6 here, and now it's telling us that that order is fully picked. We can then go to our order details screen here and see that it's now in a picked status, ready to be shipped. And we can either ship that with a manifest screen, shipping manifest, UPS World Ship, lots of different options there as well. Then we can also go back to our main menu, or we can just do a ship confirm. So here, for ease of use, we're just going to ship confirm this order by keying it in and say it is now shipped. Back to the menu, and when we refresh our list here, we'll see that that one is now gone. What happens in the background here is that's the trigger point to tell AX that this order has shipped. So let's go ahead and go back into AX in our sales order side here, and we will be able to go to our pick and pack and our packing slip, and we'll be able to see that here's where we've got our packing slip with our line items that have been picked and packed. Oh, I always have to change this, sorry, to packing slip. And now I can see my lines.
Thank you for watching Savant's video series. For more information, you can contact us by phone at 602-906-3047, by email info@savantwms.com, or visit our website www.savantwms.com.